everybody, Kurt Henry here, mortgage broker at the Mortgage Center. We're your go-to mortgage broker in the Durham region, and this is a weekly mortgage market update just to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. So we all know mortgage rates are higher than what they used to be, and 5-year fixed rates, by the way, did come down just slightly in the last few days, but they're still higher than what they used to be. So the question is, does a higher mortgage rate always mean a higher mortgage payment? Most people would say yes to that question. However, the real answer is that it depends. The reason I say that is because a critical factor of calculating a mortgage payment is the amortization on the mortgage. Now, the maximum amortization ranges, depending on the situation and depending on the lender, from 25 years to 30 years to 35 years, and even sometimes you can do an interest-only payment. Now, there's no question the longer the amortization, the more interest you pay over time, although that's assuming you have the mortgage for that period of time. You do normally have the option, if you have a 30-year amortization, for example, to pay the mortgage off quicker, which would actually mean that you don't pay the interest over the 30 years. The reason I'm saying all this is because if you have a mortgage renewal coming up, or if you're looking to refinance to consolidate some debt or do some home renovations, for example, and you think that you have to deal with a higher mortgage payment because the rate is higher than what you used to have or what you're expecting it to be, that's not necessarily the case, because some cases we can restructure the mortgage and play with that amortization to actually bring the payment down even though the interest rate is higher. Now, don't expect for your current bank or lender to necessarily offer this solution out of the gate, because either number one, they might not think about it, or number two, they might not have the ability to give a longer amortization. And what I mean by that is some lenders, for example, right now are starting to offer a 35-year amortization, but other lenders do not have the ability to do that. So as a mortgage broker, we work with multiple banks and lenders, of course, and therefore there's more options than just with one bank. So if you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help.